Zhunan by Linhui. Zhunan, where high-tech parks thrive, rails diverge by mountains and seas. Longfeng Port, waters run deep, with purple crows butterflies leap. Poem by Linhui.
Hello everyone, I'm Ouyang. Isn't this place just stunning? It feels like a scene straight out of Spirited Away. This is our Cheating Twin Tunnels. This place is truly unique. These are the only two connected double-track tunnels in all of Taiwan. You can see some remnants of World War II on the walls. There are many bullet holes left behind. Can you imagine that this place was once under attack? It shows that these tunnels are no ordinary tunnels. They are historical tunnels. So let's explore the secrets of Zhunan through these historical tunnels. Let's go. Zhunan Town, the northernmost coastal township in Miaoli, is the intersection of the mountain and coastal lines of the Western Trunk Line Railway. Walking through Zhunan, you can feel the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Follow our footsteps and let's go on an adventure together. I finally arrived. This is one of the most famous temples in Zhunan. It's our Longfeng Temple. This place is so unique. Anyone walking around here can see a huge Machu statue. How did this come to be? There must be so many stories behind it. I'm really happy today. It was pouring this morning, but I thought, let's come today and take a look at our great Machu. Would it still rain heavily? She helped clear the weather for us, making it perfect and just right for us to chat here.
Yes.
I've been to so many Machu temples in Taiwan, and this is definitely one of the biggest, right?
It's the world's tallest seated Machu statue.
And it's so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. As soon as we see her, we're naturally drawn to come closer and greet her, right?
Yes.
I'm really curious. Why was it made so big?
Our former committee chairman saw the Statue of Liberty in New York, a very tall statue.
Oh, a symbol of New York, USA, right?
Yes, and came up with the idea that in Taiwan, since we all believe in the Heavenly Mother, or Mazu, why not create the world's tallest Mazu statue?
Oh, that's so interesting. I never thought that a trip to the US and the idea of the Statue of Liberty would be brought back to Zhunan.
Yes.
I'm telling you, the history here is so rich. You wouldn't know unless you asked. Since we're already here, of course, we have to greet Mazu first. We pray for the safety and well-being of our family and friends. And with the great Mazu presiding here, the Longfeng Temple in Zhunan, what other touching stories are waiting for us to discover? Why are there so many Mazu statues? They're everywhere from here to there.
Yes.
Why are there so many Mazu statues and why are there so many names?
When we were building this great Mazu, we received full support from our neighbors and devotees. They suggested that since the great Mazu space is so large, why not carve 10,000 Mazu statues for devotees around the world to worship and adopt, and even allow our devotees to take them home for worship and blessings?
So this isn't just the effort of one person, it's the entire neighborhood and the people of Zhunan.
Yes, all the devotees work together. That's why we have the great Mazu today, and the 10,000 Mazu statues.
They represent the spirit of every person all gathered here. Such a beautiful story. It's really fascinating. The historic Longfeng Temple embodies the sincerity of the local community and pilgrims. Walking through the temple, every design makes you feel how magnificent it is. Oh, it's huge. And the towering seated Matsu statue is a spiritual anchor for everyone. Next time you pass by, don't forget to stop and greet Matsu. Next, let's take a deeper look at the traditional beauty of Zhunan.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, hi.
Welcome to our Chen family ancestral house.
As I was walking in from outside, I noticed a lot of yellow paper on the ground.
Yes, that's joss paper used for worshipping ancestors.
Why is it placed there?
Well, because our factory here manufactures gold and silver foil paper. One of the steps is to expose them under sunshine. So as long as the weather is good, they will take pieces of paper out to bask in the sun and let it dry.
All this paper is still handmade?
Well, handcrafts are very common here in Zhunan. This production has been here for many years. Starting from the time of the Japanese occupation in Taiwan, there are so many people. This whole town is processing the handmade gold and silver paper. Later on, due to the relocation of industries, there's very little handmade work left. There's still a few factories left, insisted on using traditional handcraft techniques.
Oh, that's amazing. They're preserving the traditional craft.
Yes.
Now, we've arrived at this place. I noticed that the design of this building is very unique, right? Why does it look like a U shape or something?
Well, to foreigners, it looks like a U, and then for Taiwanese people, it may look like a phonetic symbol, the shape of a mo. The one in the middle is called the center position, and then there's two dragon guards on both sides. It's just very similar to an arm, left arm and right arm. Well, back in the old days, the family used to live all together in one site, so the mo-shaped house with courtyard basically means three buildings facing at the same square, representing the whole family is very united.
Oh, that's so cool. But I noticed even though it's the same house concept, the materials used seem different.
This house was built in 1937. It was considered the later period of the Japanese occupation era. At that time, a type of a building material called flower brick was very popular. It has a square shape and there are many auspicious patterns on it. Taiwanese people at that time were fond of this building material, and there is a whole row of beautiful flower tiles on the roof of our house.
The design is very beautiful. I noticed the doors on the left and right. Although the door designs are the same, the words written on them are different.
Well, actually, this is a couplet. Couplets is favored by Taiwanese people. The owner of our house is very attentive. He used his childhood memories and stories associated with this place, all blended into a couplet. This couplet is called Cui Yun in Chinese.
Cui Yun.
That hammer tone is a kind of sound. It refers to the time when we used to make gold foil. You need to get a hammer, cut paper with a blade. So every morning you wake up to the workers and the sound of knocking.
Yes, so people living here probably didn't get much sleep.
Well, the Sanskrit pronunciation on the right is also used to describe a type of sound. There's a Guanyin Buddhist temple just in front of the right guardian dragon. So at 4:45 in the morning, you'll hear it coming from that direction, the sound of morning drill.
It feels like the owner here had a lot of thoughtfulness and a good relationship with the neighbors.
Yes, that's correct. The name of the place is called Fanshe. In fact, it was originally the place of the Dakians. The place we enter right here is called the main hall.
The main hall.
Well, it's the center of the entire three-house courtyard. What are the major functions of the main hall? Well, the first thing is to entertain guests. Next is our living room, also called Gongma Hall. Traditional Taiwanese people will honor their ancestors, and the deity invited can be placed in this room. So let's call it Gongma Ting. It means that there will be an altar, and on top of that, the statues of gods or ancestral tablets were placed. So it'll be decorated more elaborately. There are many murals on the wall.
There are a lot of them, and they feel very detailed.
Yes, we modern people, if you want to decorate the walls, you might want to hang the painting, right?
Yeah, just hang them.
Well, people before were not. His wall is like a picture frame. People invite a painter to your home, and they'll help you paint some more auspicious patterns on top. Like there are peonies over there, which brings wealth and prosperity. Also pine and bamboo, which means the evergreen concept of pine and cypress created by the hand of the artist, then presented to us. Look at the decorative wall of this main wall.
It seems like life back then was richer and more unique.
Yeah. Very elegant, isn't it?
Yeah, nowadays everyone seems to live in a template. Everything looks the same. Look at this place has such a vibe.
Well, it has a great atmosphere. Actually, behind our main wall, there's a secret passage set up.
Can I see it?
Sure, let's go. I'll take you there.
What's the secret here? I remember when I was a kid in Brazil, for example, my dad would bring friends over to discuss business, and my sister and I might be playing in the living room, and when we got too noisy, my dad would think it was too loud and tell us to go to our rooms. But here, they designed a secret passage, so if they were in the middle area for worship or business discussions and it wasn't suitable for noisy kids, they would close the doors and the kids could still continue playing from left to right or from right to left to another room. They could play freely. I think people back then were really thoughtful. Coming to this place feels like a kind of time travel, like truly going back in time. Besides having a good relationship with neighbors, it also shows they had a strong bond with their own family and relatives. Facing the same courtyard means family members wouldn't be far from each other. I think this is a very happy thing. The joss paper in front of the old house hints at a century-old joss paper workshop hidden in Fanshe. Looking across Taiwan, I think pretty much only the Zhonggang area in Zhunan still has this. Let's follow the sound of the hammer and uncover the secrets of handmade joss paper. Hello everyone! What are you doing?
I'm making gold paper.
Joss paper?
Yeah, correct.
But I was wondering, why can't we just burn this yellow paper directly? Just burn it as is.
Oh, this no work. You don't have aluminum foil. God no like.
When the deities see this, it means it's genuine?
Yes, it's true.
This one and this sheet seem different, right?
Oh, it's different. You're doing this for the first time. It's been yellowish is the second time.
Do I have a chance to learn this first step from you?
Oh, try to learn as much as you can.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, can I take it straight? You have to hold it at a slant.
At a slant?
Yes, slanted. This foil paper is like this. Ju.
Oh, not like this, but like this.
Yeah, smart.
I'm getting the hang of it. I can retire from showbiz now. In the small joss paper shop, the ladies carefully and efficiently handle each piece of joss paper. It seems that I, as a trainee, still have a long way to go before becoming a master. And what's that sound coming from outside? Let's follow it and take a look. Boss!
Hello.
I just walked over and saw how busy you were, so I didn't dare disturb you.
Oh, okay.
Do you have time now?
Yeah.
You do, right? May I ask how long you've been doing this?
47 years. My father did it for 50 years.
Wow, it's a long time.
So together that's 97 years.
That's almost a century. It's always been mainly handmade?
We didn't have this machine. We used wooden mallets to hammer.
Is this it? This looks very old.
He's already retired. Now it's just for demonstration.
Oh, just for demonstration. Do I hold it like this?
3 strikes has to go all the way down. 3 fingers like this.
Oh, 3 fingers like this.
Press down
Okay.
this. Strike.
Get ready to call an ambulance.
Yeah, strike. Strike it like this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. That was terrible. This time coming here, I had the chance to meet the boss who makes joss paper and has been doing it by hand until now. I think this is really not easy. This piece, I can say I made it myself. Piece by piece, I was pasting it back and forth, and this silver paper has to be placed very neatly because this is related to religious beliefs. So for them, it has a very deep meaning. You can't just do it carelessly. Although the main purpose of joss paper is for use in temples, if you come here to learn about the culture and history, you can still buy some souvenirs related to joss paper. It's really fun and you can learn so much. The long-standing joss paper industry flows along the Zhonggang River into the Taiwan Strait. Longfeng Fishing Harbor, located by the sea in Zhunan, is also a must-visit natural fishing harbor for tourists coming to Zhunan. Although today the northeast monsoon has made the waves stronger, walking along the seawall and watching the waves crash ashore is another kind of scenery in Zhunan. I heard that not far from here at Holiday Forest, there's an outdoor activity I love. Let's go and check it out together.